I've always been drawn to beauty. But love, it hurts. It's just like flowers on a razor wire. An antithesis to behold. The beautiful ones always lure me in. Every time. And every time I get hurt. Like a rose with thorns that pricks my skin. Like a fairy with bullets ready to aim at my heart. It's hopeless. But I hand my heart over on a silver platter. Then hold my breath and blindly leap in.
Sometimes, when I'm alone in the Emerald Hills, the fairies and the nymphs, they lure me into their lair and try to talk to me about love.
But I don't always listen to them. I think love is like a virus. Bug that bites us. Then one day we wake from this fever and have no idea what we were thinking. It's like insanity. Like that sonnet from Shakespeare. My love is as a fever, longing still. For that which longer nurseth the disease, feeding on that which deserves the ill, the uncertain, sickly appetite to please. My reason, the physician to my love, angry that his prescriptions were not kept, had left me, and I desperate now approve. Desire is death. Physic did accept. Past cure am I. Past cure am I. Is past care. It's past care. Frantic mad with ever more unrest. My thoughts and my discourse as madmen's are. At random from the truth vainly expressed. For I had thought thee fair and swore thee bright. Who art as black as hell. Dark as night. We have so many senses at work within us at one time. They all work against us, luring us into this illusion
that does not exist. There's sight.
A lover's beauty drawing in, making us crave them. The nymphs know all about this sense.
There's taste. There's scent. We might as well put fake horns on because we're animals when it comes to touch.
Je pense que je suis malade. Genki jarimasen. I think I'm ill. Halam hopnist. How many times have we looked back on a lover and had no feelings left for them? How many times has that one great love turned out to be bogus? And yet we are deceived by our senses every time. Maybe it's Mother Nature's plan for reproduction. Maybe we are her toys, her tools, her tortured. I think we're being used. It's like madness. They say insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting new results. How many times have we tried to make love work in vain, then try again? It's like when Ophelia went mad over Hamlet. There's rosemary, that's for remembrance. Pray, love, remember. And there's pansies, that's for thought. And will he not come again? Will he not come again? A broken heart is hard to mend. I gave my heart to them, and they broke it. I got over it. They were beautiful. Beauty is nice, but how about the soul? Where does our soul fit into all this? And if I am to find my true soulmate, where the hell do I begin? They say you have to cross an ocean to meet your soulmates. That we get 3 per lifetime. That we must go through a trial by fire. And that each one leads us closer to our true calling. I don't believe in this thing called love.
And when I get married, my dress is gonna be satin and long, and there's gonna be a black sash, and
I think it's bogus.
my husband will be tall, blonde, awesome, and funny.
A virus.
My house will be apartment, mansion, condo. A mansion, yeah, a mansion on 32nd Street in New York. Yeah.
A lie.
And my kids are gonna be 2 twins.
We're being used by Mother Nature for reproduction. We are being used. Animals find mates easy, but they do it to reproduce. They don't fall in love and break hearts. They don't care how the lover looks. They just go for it. But we have free will. We have sin, they say. So we are lost. My minister says it takes 2 wholes to make a whole, not 2 halves. How long before I am whole? And how am I then supposed to find another whole person to make one whole with? Sometimes I think I have a hole inside because my parents never loved me.
I will have 2 twin girls. One will be named Carla, and the other will be named Violet.
They both abandoned me on and off, and both were abusive. I think that's how I got fear of intimacy. Animals take care of their kids. They don't run off and leave them. Are animals better than us? I think so. Sometimes I wish I was a baby deer. They say it's unnatural for humans to abuse or hate their own children, but it happens all the time. So many sad cases in the children's shelter. Such a lack of love. I don't believe in this thing called love. How am I expected to let someone love me when my own parents didn't? I think it's an illusion. I think we come alone and leave alone. We only have ourselves to trust. I think we need to take a long, hard look in the mirror into our souls and figure out what's missing. We have to love ourselves, learn to cherish ourselves and not look outside for love. To become whole, we must become love. Then give that to ourselves. Maybe we don't need anyone. Maybe it's okay to be alone. Because we come alone and we go alone. Maybe we are free to just be.